Today we will continue talking about greetings. Say these greetings with your English voice. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Pleased to meet you. Now, we say these greetings when we meet someone for the first time, but they can be used in different situations. For example, we can say nice to meet you in informal introductions, such as meeting someone at the bus station. And we can say pleased to meet you for formal introductions, such as meeting someone at a job interview. So, today we will have a look at an informal conversation as well as a formal conversation. So, let's start with informal. Informal greetings are used for people you already know. So let's have a look at the first conversation. Hello. Hi. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. How are you? Now remember, for this question, we can use feelings to talk about how we feel. For example, I am fine, thanks. Now, moving on to formal greetings. Formal greetings are used for people you do not know well or in business. So let's have a look at the second conversation. Good morning. Good morning. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you too. How are you today? I'm very well, thank you. Now, in business, there are formal titles used for people. Let's have a look at these three. Number 1, Mr. Number 2, Miss. And number 3, Mrs. So, as you can see, Mr. is used for men, while Miss and Mrs. are used for women. Now, let's practice using greetings with these formal titles. For example, good morning, Mr. Good morning, Miss. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you too.